Hello everybody, it's Josh with PALASSIS Media again, and today I'm going to show you how to buy solo ads with Udimi and how to implement solo ads into your affiliate marketing. I don't really suggest them outside of affiliate marketing because I don't think they really have a purpose, and they're not very cost effective outside of affiliate marketing, but we shall get into that. So Udimi. I'll have a link down below for the Udimi sign up. It's totally free for the basic account. You can get like I forget what the name is for. You can get like a premium account where pretty much you save money on buying solo ads. So if you buy them enough, it's worth it for sure because you save money. But if you don't have to pay for anything to sign up, which is cool. So if you could sign up with my link, if you decide to sign up, I would appreciate it very much. And let's get into it. So this is my profile. It's a very basic looking site, nothing too crazy. They actually have a little bit of training, a few training videos on your homepage, and they have like some sections in the help that you can find. Oh, look at that. Boom, home tutorial. So your home just kind of shows, so right here, right? You can earn 15% from all orders. So if someone signs up, if you guys sign up and then well, let's just say if someone signs up under me, I'll earn 15% from all your orders and up to 50% on all, that's what it's called, Prime members. So I'll earn 15% on all your orders if you just have a basic account. But if you sign up for the Prime, like I have, because I order enough that it's worth it, then I'll earn up to 50% on all your orders, which is crazy. And all my referrals would get a $5 discount, which I use myself because somebody referred me as well. So same thing applies to you guys. Obviously, once you sign up, now you can start referring people and become an affiliate with Udimi as well. So yeah, your homepage just kind of shows basic stuff. What is this? I'm in 209th place as a buyer. I don't even know what that means, but congrats to me, I guess. I don't know. This just shows like, the solo ads that you've used recently. And then this is, I think, just suggested people for you. So anyways, it's a basic website, and I'm just going to run you through the website and how it works because it's a little confusing to start. I had to watch a bunch of YouTube videos to figure it out, so hopefully this is going to be the YouTube video that does help you figure it out. So the point of solo ads, before I even start clicking on things, is people like this lovely guy down here, Tim. He's kind of my go-to man. What they pretty much do is they somehow or another own and manage a huge email list. I'm talking like hundreds of thousands of people in a lot of cases. And generally their lists are associated to a niche, and we'll get into that when we come to here finding sellers. And what you do is you pay them for clicks. So let me just show you. So right here, there's a filter, right, for how to find your solo guy or gal. So you want the clicks, I want them to start within whatever, 24 hours, let's say, right? I want a minimum of, and see, this goes by, when you start a campaign with them, they have 100 hours. You can see here, minimal quantity of visitors is 100, or sorry, minimal quantity of visitors within 100 hours. So let's say 300, right? I think the biggest campaign I've done is 300. And then to start, especially because you want to kind of feel some of these people out, don't go over, let's say 35 cents to 50 cents per click is reasonable. Anyone else they've maybe been doing it for a while and they have some good reviews, so they think like, okay, I can charge more now. Which they can, I guess, but whatever. I don't want to pay that much. You can choose if they're online or not at the moment, which whatever, doesn't matter. You can choose like how many, what is this? See only sellers who have generated sales for customers. Yeah, so that's like the like rating, and then this is minimal number of positive ratings that the seller must have, whatever. I want them to have at least 10 positive ratings. And then you search by keyword. So in my case, I don't know what your case is, but in my case, it would be marketing, right? So I click marketing, and did it go? Or did I have to press this? There we go. Yeah, okay. So now it shows me all these people that match my criteria. So I'm just going to save you the trouble, honestly. I'm going to save you the trouble if you're trying to be an affiliate marketer for something like ClickFunnels, which is what I'm doing. This guy right here, he's honestly, how do I go to his profile? Solos, Tim. He lives in Greece right now. This guy's the man. That's okay. So this guy, find his profile, great reviews. He always gives me, so you can see he did 150% over oh, sorry, like 50%, I guess I could say, over the clicks that I bought. See, he gave me 451 out of the 301. Here I got 340 out of 300. So this guy's great communication too. He messages me back real fast. So if you're in affiliate marketing, just go for this guy to start at least, right? And then he's got, see here, 39 cents per click, which is wonderful. So what that means is he sends it out to all these people, and regardless of how many people it takes him to actually get these clicks, you actually get what you pay for. So I want this many people to click on, I guess I should explain this, on my link. So what that is, so you go to here to add texts. So this is an email that I drafted within Udimi. It's just a little, you go and add text, and you can, let me go back. You add new swipe, right? Add new swipe. Then you go in here, literally just draft it up. I don't know why this always is, there we go. Draft it up, make a little title, and he sends this email to his people. So, and I actually asked him, I said, if there's a few things that you think, you know, maybe you suggest I change, and he's like, yeah, no problem, I'll edit it here and there. But he sends this out to his list, and no matter how many people it takes, like I said, to actually, what is this? Yes, leave page. To actually get these clicks, I will always get that many people clicking on the links that are inside of my ad text. So you can only add one link. So all these links you see here all go to the same place, which if you've seen my other videos, you'll probably have seen this. They go here. Ding, ding, ding. And so that counts as one click. They don't necessarily have to enter their stuff to become a click. They just have to get to this page. But honestly, I want to say like 50% or more actually enter their email. And that's why not even a month has gone by and I have 800 people in my email list, which is pretty cool. So that's the basics of how it works. You pretty much pay them to get traffic, and it pretty much works every time. I've gone through a couple different people. You can see here my solos. I've tried a couple different guys, and like, you know, they did good. This guy did good, but his people didn't really convert well. I find with Tim, he likes to be called Tim. His people actually sign up and or start a trial, so that's why I like it. That's why you have to be careful with solo ads as well, because this guy, sure, he gave me 148%. I'm not saying him specifically is there anything wrong with him. Maybe it was just, you know, my luck. But because literally some of it is just luck, the right people, you know, that click on the ads. But a lot of time they're overused lists filled with sometimes bots, sometimes just people that don't want to be part of your, you know, you're spamming anymore, and they'll actually report you. So you'll see in like ClickFunnels that you can actually get reported for being spam, or in whatever software you have, which doesn't look good on you because you can actually hurt yourself. So you want to be careful doing this. That's why, like I said, I recommend using this guy because I've used him, what now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and every time has been great, no problems whatsoever. So now that you kind of get the basics, I'm just going to take you through some of the menu items. So solo deals, these are just people that are obviously having a deal. So there's my guy right there. They have promotions, they have special deals, whatever it might be. Affiliates, this is just kind of your little dashboard for your affiliates. So you can see that no one's actually signed up under me yet. I started using this really recently, but I have 5 people cookied. So similar to ClickFunnels where there's a sticky cookie, it's not as intensive as ClickFunnels, but once they sign up, so if you guys, let's say, were to click on the link and make an account using my my link, you'll be here. You'll be in this cookied area, and then when you start actually getting or when you start purchasing orders, then I'll see the money here and I'll see this. I'm assuming that's what hard-coded means. And then again, Prime members. And then the same thing will happen to you guys when you start referring people. And then that's my link, all your info again. Just like ClickFunnels too, they actually have banners, logos. Like, it's pretty cool. There's actually quite a bit of stuff you can do with them. And then this also, you can make sure you select this. I was going to say select, check and select. This just sends a little message to people as soon as they join. You can see like my messages. These people here, they joined under me, and it sends them a nice little, hello, welcome, I'm here. And then it'll just give you some stats on your traffic and all the people that have come under you. And that's pretty much it there. There's a forum. This is just like literally if you want to talk to people. There's a cool community within the solo ads. There's a bunch of Facebook groups. There's a bunch of like, this is a whole, it's a whole world on its own, man. Like, it's crazy. But Udimi is one of the most reliable and most well-known sites for buying solo ads, so I suggest at least starting your journey here. We've been home. We've been to my solos. You've seen messages. Add text. I've shown you. What? I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is just... Well, it's too late now. Now you can see it. This literally just shows you all your transactions, which is cool. List checker. This is if you're going to become an actual seller. If you have a list that you want to now make money. Well, I didn't even mention that. If for whatever reason you're watching this video and you have a huge email list and you're like, you know what, I can make money selling emails more or less. Like you don't actually give the emails to people. You send a message out to your list. And if they like the message, then they'll opt into the other person's, like the buyer's landing page. Like they opted into my landing page and now I have their email. So they didn't sell me the email. They sold me the clicks, and my content was good enough that I managed to persuade them to give me their information. So this actually, you can input your list, upload a list, and then it'll, like Udimi will actually check it for you. And then they'll guarantee blah, 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 blah. They'll make sure it's valid. It's just, this is if you want to become a seller. You can actually make little landing pages in Udimi. I haven't even bothered with this because I have ClickFunnels and it's so much easier to use ClickFunnels and everything looks so much nicer. But just so you know, you can make landing pages. Opt-in tracker. I feel like this doesn't really work because I've gotten a lot more than 117 visitors. You can just like add like the page that you're trying to track. But, you know, it's there. I don't really use it, but it's there. And then again, settings. And not a big deal. So that's pretty much it. That's Udimi in a nutshell. Like I said, when it comes to, here, let's see, finding sellers, finance, health. So there's different purposes for it. You kind of got to just test it. And if you're going to use, like, let's say you're a personal trainer, right? You want people to sign up for your course. You go into here, you go to add text. You create a new swipe. You say, hey guys, do you want to lose weight? I have a great program. It's on sale right now. Whatever, $20, or the free first consultation, whatever it might be. Send it to someone who is in health, right? That's their, yeah, there you go. So these people have, it's gonna really show, doesn't really say it in their bio. Anyways, you gotta go to their profiles. You can actually message people too. Like if you go to this guy, right, Kevin, you're like, hey Kevin, I wonder if your list is good for me. You can go message Kevin and be like, hey, I'm a personal trainer. I want to send this email out to your list, and I want to send it to, hold on, let's go back. So you go to Kevin, you see, okay, he's 39 cents per click, read his thing, he's got 102 likes, this is good, 21% conversion rate, which is not bad. So you come here and you're like, all right, Kevin, I want to buy, again, to start, I really recommend start with like 200. I have Prime filter automatically because I have a Prime account, but I really suggest you guys use this on every purchase because here, if you read, each click will go another round of advanced clearance with the filter that is available for Prime members. And honestly, it just filters out spam. So it's really good. And then top tier is, you can see USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore. Again, I very much recommend, but you can see it's 10 cents per visitor. With Prime, if I didn't have the Prime account, I think that's also an extra 10 cents per visitor. But I get this for free now because I'm a member. That's why I said it's worth it if you buy enough solos because you actually save money. So I would select this. And this is where in here you select your, see, you select one of your ads. And you can see it here. You can do some final editing if you have to. You can choose mobile or no mobile. Just leave that out, unless for some reason it's like an app you're promoting, then it makes sense, you know, only mobile. Otherwise, forget that. You know, give seller option to I can't speak to send earlier. It'll show you kind of where your traffic is going to be. You can see the reviews right underneath here, and then once you're satisfied and you're like, all right, let's do it, you can you know, let's round this up to 120. Add to cart, right? And then that's pretty much it. Also, when you guys sign up, if you sign up under me, this is where you apply the gift code, the $5 that you get off from me. This is where you would apply that, just so you know. Then you can purchase it with PayPal or card, and then, you know, you're good to go. So like I said, when you first start out, depending on your niche, check this, make sure it's something that applies to you. If you're marketing, use my guide to start at least, you know, do maybe 200 clicks, just try it out. If you like it, then you can start putting more money in. You can get a Prime membership, whatever the case may be. Otherwise, methinks that'd be it. So I hope this helped you guys, and I will see you in another video. Oh, also, if you haven't checked out my How to Become a ClickFunnels Affiliate video, I suggest watching that in conjunction with this, because you can literally use Udemy. That's literally what I'm doing, is I'm using Udemy to promote my ClickFunnels affiliate program. Then I make a landing page and a funnel that promotes the affiliate stuff. So, and through all that, I literally get people to sign up on Udemy and on ClickFunnels. So it's like a double affiliate. Oh man, there's just so much you can do. I'll get into this eventually. But for now, I'm just trying to show you how to use these individual pieces of software. And oh, I realize that this is like half screen now. I'm just trying to show you how to use all these, get comfortable, get familiar with them. And then as I keep making videos, I'll get into some more details that honestly it's taken me months to figure out, and or I've paid, hundreds or thousands of dollars to get certain courses. So I'm hoping these tidbits of information will definitely help you guys out and help to make things more clear. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys later.